Guys, today I will be unboxing and installing this Samsung clear case. So this one is designed for Galaxy A34 5G. So I have here the Galaxy S34 A34, I mean 5G. So let's see if it fits properly. I just cut this one. I'm probably to cut this. Yep. Now it's open. So that's it. So this is the case. So looks really clean and clear, and it comes with this some documentation from Samsung, so different languages. Okay, so anyway, so it comes with three holes, three big holes and one small hole that is designed for the camera and the flash. So probably I wipe this a bit, just wipe this a bit before installing. This one be like that. So perfect, so you can really see. That's cool. So try. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.